So this week we're doing multiplying with threes, okay? But the whole week, actually just today, multiplying by threes. But the whole lesson 6, is multiplying with threes, fours, and sixes. So you guys can start practicing those this week. And if you pass them, then I'll move the car over. Okay? It says use an array to solve each problem. Okay? So like this. Check it out. This one right here. See this? 5 times 2, okay? So how many rows am I going to need? 5. With how many in each row? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't need that one. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. And I don't need this one. Or this one. Right? So 5 rows with 2 each. What's that? 10. 10, right? 10. And then 5 times 1 is how many rows with how many in each row? 5 rows with 1 each, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows with 1 in each row. So 5 times 1 looks like this. So what's 5 times 1? 5. Now I have 5 times 3. How many rows am I going to need? Well, the first number tells me how many rows. How many rows am I going to need? 5. With how many in each row? 3. And it looks like this. With 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 3 in each row, 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 here. Okay. So basically, I have 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then times 3, which is I have 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So what's 5 times 3? 15. All right, what's the video? So it says Nadia hangs her photos on the wall. She makes 4 rows of photos. Okay, she made 4 rows. Got it. Let's see. Oops, go back. Sorry, my bad. Let's do it this way. So 4 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, with 3 photos in each row. Does that look right? Yes. I have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how many photos does she have in all? 12. I just count all of those. So what would be my multiplication equation?
4 times 3 equals 12.
So 4, because that's how many rows I have, times 3, how many in each row, equals 12. So if you look on page 132, it says you can use a picture to understand the problem. Oh, look. This is exactly what we did, didn't we? Right? This is exactly what we did. So look, here he has 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's 4 times how many in each row? Or how many columns I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So 4 rows times 3 columns equals how many total? 12. How do I know that? Because, well, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Okay. 5 times 3. Draw a picture and show a way to break apart. Okay, don't worry about the whole breaking apart thing. So if I use 5 times 3, how many rows am I making? Sorry. Yeah, how many rows am I making? 5. That's the first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many in each row? 3. Or how many columns am I going to need? 3, right? I'd have one column already. This is 134, by the way. Oh, that's the page that we're on. And there. So what's 5 times 3? What is it? 15. So 5 times 3 equals 15. How do I know? Because I could count all the dots. So go ahead and solve this problem for me. It says Cassie set up 9 tables with 3 chairs in each table for a party. How many chairs does she use? Show your work. Go ahead and do that for me. All right. You could do a couple things, right? I could do equal groups, correct? The first number, and by the way, it's 9 times 3, right? That's the multiplication fact. So the first number tells me how many groups I have. And then the second number tells me how many in each group, correct? I could have done this. And then with how many in each group? 3 chairs, he says. The problem says. I could have done this. And then just count all the dots, right? Which would be what? 24? 27. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Okay. Plus, or I could do it with the array, correct? That means I have 9 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many columns? 3. So I just need to do 2 more columns. And then just count them all, right? And I get 27. So you can use either strategy, whichever strategy works for you.